Well, here is for the Denton DV502B. Okay, here's the front view. Side view. The back view. And the other side view. Alright, over here is your LN2 fill. This is your exhaust for the LN2. Down here is your power in. Here's your main air supply to activate the valves. Then you got your N2 vent, and you have your gas. Up top here you have your bell jar right here. Over here you have your deposition controller. Here's your HMI to the PLC. Emergency power off. Main system turn on, and your main system turn on and off. Look at the front screen right here. You can see that the system's down into 7 to the -7. For me to go ahead and I'm going to do this manually. So I'm going to go through the screens right here. Then I'm going to go into low voltage. I got it set on 13. If you want to go up higher or lower, you just click on the buttons. I'll go to 15. I'm going to go to source A. Turn the power on. Over here, before I do that, you can see that it's reading 15 amps at 1 volt. You can't really see much on there because I have something in there, but you can see now that it's glowing right there. I'm going to shut it off because I don't want it to deposit and coat the glass. So I'm going to go over to the B side. I'm going to turn it down. And then turn the power on. As you can see in here, you can see that it's all lit up. You can see, I'm going to turn on the rotation. So you can see the holder spinning around and rotating. And I don't have anything in the other filament, so we can kind of look in there and see what's going on. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in automatic, and then you can see it actually working on a process. So I'll shut this off, close this, hit the auto process. And if you kind of go over here, you can see that it's going to turn on and deposit around 5 angstroms. In fact, let me just go back over here, and you can see the amperage is going up slowly. Try to back away. As you can see, it's still going up. And over here you can see your angstrom gauge. And you can see it says it's at 5%. Now it's ramping up again. Still ramping up. And you can start seeing, you can see it's starting to glow. $15 amps, going up, glowing a little bit more. And you can see it's really glowing now. Pretty soon you're going to see the whole thing haze over, where the whole glass on the inside is going to be coated with aluminum and not be able to see anything. As you can see, it's getting to it right now. The whole bell jar has coated itself. You can see the deposition has finally leveled itself off. And you can see right now it's going to be shooting for 5 angstroms a second. And you can see it's leveled off to that. You can see inside the bell jar certain spots that can't be hit by the deposition because of certain things in the way. But you can see the whole jar is pretty much filled up. And there's your deposition monitor. And your HMI controller. And as you can see, the whole bell jar is totally closed up. To vent, I'm just going to hit the auto vent. You can see it turned on to the green, says running, and I'll open her up when she is ready or vented. Alright, the system is now, you can see that is like 760 torr. All you got to do is hit lift up, and then the bell jar will go up. Alright, and then here you can see that this is source A or 1, and this is source B or 2. Here's your deposition sensor. There's your shutter. And that is your roto tilt. And your bell jar that you can see is coated all on the inside. And that's the end of the demo.